Poem Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher is a letter written by the 16th President of the United States of America. In this letter, he has described the need of learning for a child and the responsibilities of the teacher about his students. Though it is Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher, it is a wonderful piece of suggestions pertaining to the education of a child.
The education
of child. He suggests the teacher to teach his son that for every enemy there is a friend. A dollar earned as a hero is far more valuable than 5 pounds as a scoundrel. He wants the teacher to teach his sons how to steer away from envy and the secret of quiet laughter. He suggests to teach the bullies as Easter's to links. He wants the teacher to teach his sons the
Easter नहीं है, easiest
to link.
हाँ, easier
to link.
superlative degree.
He wants the teacher to teach his sons the wonder of books, but also give him quiet time to ponder the internal mystery of the birds in the sky, the bees in the sun, and the flowers on a green hillside. In the school, he wishes them to teach his son. He wishes them to teach his son that it is better to fail than to cheat. He should have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him that he is wrong. He tells the teacher to teach him how to be gentle with gentle people and tough with the tough. He should listen to all men, but should filter all he hears on a screen of truth and take only the good that comes through. He wants him to laugh when he is sad and learn that there is no shame in tears. He tells the teacher to teach him to scrap off cynics and beware of too much sweetness. He should sell his brain and brain to the highest bidder, but never put a price but never put a price tag on his heart and soul. He should close his ears to howling mud. He should stand mob. He should stand and fight if he thinks his rights. Abraham Lincoln wants to tell the teacher to teach his sons to have always sublime faith in himself, because then he will have sublime faith in mankind.